friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated hair routine. So my hair is all wet. I kind of look, that's not a look. I did change my hair routine. You could watch my old one, but I don't do that anymore. That just took too long, and I was like waiting to figure out what to do next to make it look good. So I liked it because I could like control how it actually ended up looking or whatever. Another thing that's changed is I do my hair in the morning because I haven't gone biking, because I usually used to wash my hair at night after I went biking. But yeah, I do it in the morning now. I just have to wake up early, and I've been trying to change my sleep schedule. So this is the shampoo that I use. It's the Emerge It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo. It's a shampoo. It doesn't lather very much. It says it has a low lather, which I don't really like because I like to do that like Ferris Bueller thing and like stand there for like a few seconds and then wash it out. And this is the conditioner that I'm using currently. I'm always changing what conditioner I use because I usually get a giant one from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx because they have like these nice designer like brands. I don't think they're called designer, salon brands. Another product that is returning is my spray bottle. I'm just gonna get started. I have my no makeup look on. Look at my hair. Hair ASMR. I did trim my hair. You can watch my very popular on my channel hair cutting mullet video. I was like trimming my hair like every 2 weeks ish, but then I was like, girl, it looks a little uneven, so I stopped and I was like, I'm gonna let it grow out. But then the shape kind of started to lose and it's getting really long. By really long I mean longer than my hair has been in a while. I normally have my hair like to there-ish. So I finally like went ahead and trimmed it a bunch, like did the whole shebang just this past week when I washed my hair. So step one, I rambled a bunch, is brushing out my hair into the shape. I'm taking the Pattern Styling Cream. I don't think I used this in my last one, but this has lasted me a really long time, and this is the sample size because I only like using a tiny bit because it is a bit thick for my hair. But yeah, I don't really care that it's too thick. Gotta make sure to get the bangs. Spritz my hair with some water. Now I'm brushing all that product through. I hate when I'm brushing my hair and I brush past my ears. That hurts. Comment down below if you hate that too. Next, I am again using Tracee Ellis Ross pattern. So this is the curl gel. I like this gel because this is like a creamier, softer gel. So it's easier to brush through, whereas other gels, when you brush through, it kind of just sticks straight. So I'm just brushing through with my fingers, making sure you get like all parts of the hair. Okay, now I'm brushing this all out, and you'll see like it does that little thing. There's this video that was like, your hair's not curly if you brush it and it doesn't go to curls or something like that. And everyone was like, that's not true. Oh my god, people on like curly hair videos get so defensive. Look how cute that is. Always gotta spritz the hair because it works best. That's not the word I'm looking for, but you know what I mean. It's all, ooh. The product kind of goes with the hair better when it's wet, so you want to keep it wet. And if it's a little too dry, it starts to frizz. Now, I see a bunch of people do this, but with the different brush that I don't have and don't know the name of. So I'm gonna do kind of similar to what they do, but with my brush, because I have this problem, as I said, where like I brush it down like this and there's no volume up here. So I'm going to What do they do? They go like that. Oh, you can't see. Oh yeah, that actually worked. I mean, I've done it before, but like I always end up forgetting. And I always brush down. Oh. I'm on my tiptoes. So you could see me doing that. That's nice. I also have this problem a lot in the back of my head. Like right here. Look at this. We're gonna spritz it. We love mullets. Make sure to watch my mullet cutting video. Now is, I guess the exciting part, I don't know. I have been using the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. Maximum 10 holds. I think it being with olive oil has like made my hair so soft. Oh my goodness, my hair was so incredibly soft. So I take a little at a time, small amounts. I don't know how that looks. I've also been trying to like make sure to keep it in like the shape of my hair, because what I would do is take like split it in half and do the separate sides, and so then there'd be like a big separation. So I've been trying to remember to like marry the sides together. Now I'm going to diffuse my hair. Give that some lifted volume. Once again, using this bedhead diffuser. Sorry, I forgot to mention I'm doing it on warm and high. Okay, I just turned it to cool. It smelled like burning. I see so many videos of people doing like their hair, and it seems like their diffusing process takes like an hour or something, where mine, it does take an hour, but like I have to let my hair dry like for 5 more hours and then like see how it really is. So basically that was me saying that I'm going to finish this off camera and I'll come back to you in like an hour. Okay, I'm being kind of lazy, but actually I truly think I look the best in the photo booth camera. But this is it. Isn't it so cute? My bangs are a little not how I'd like them to be. I'd like them to have a little more character. I don't know why they ended up like this, but they did. Okay, I should have just waited to do the outro today, because this is just proof that day 2 hair is just so much cooler. I guess it's kind of the same. I don't know. Let's continue with yesterday me. Back to you. That's also the thing with curly hair, is like it's a little hard to get it like exactly how it was another day. Another thing I really like is this, the Main Choice growth oil I've used. I love when the label is like partially like that. I've used it like all of it. I have had this since like the beginning of quarantine. I've actually had it longer. This is my second bottle. But you put it on your scalp and it helps your hair grow, because even though I like my hair at this length, I think it's important to like grow it out and everything, especially because of like all the damage and everything. It's important to do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. That's gonna be it for this video. Bye.